all you're going to need for this project is plywood, foam, batting, and your fabric of choice. You're literally going to lay it in the exact order that I just stated, flip it over, and staple gun everything together. That is literally how simple and easy this is. Like, literally. So the plywood was about $16 and change from Lowe's, and I just got it cut down to the size that I needed, which was free. You can get one big board and cut it into as many ways as you want. So I got one piece of plywood and cut 2 benches out in the size that I needed. The foam was actually free because I pulled it out of my old bed before I threw it away. The batting is $5.98 a yard. I got 2 yards because I'm doing 2 cushions. And the fabric, which is this olive textured, super easy to clean, beautiful fabric, which had just a little bit of stretch to it, which made it easier for this project, was $9.98 a yard. And once again, I got 2 yards because I am doing 2 cushions. And literally, you guys, that's all you need. Super simple. All of the things that I needed cost about $35 altogether. Let's just round it to 40. And the cost of one cushion, one little flimsy cushion off of Amazon is $40. And you won't even be able to, go back in and change out the fabric or do any of that extra stuff that you want to do, because it just comes just how it is, pretty much. So you're pretty much getting 2 for the price of 1 when doing it yourself. And again, it is very, 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 very easy. So what you see me doing here in the video, which is only literally the only hard part of this whole thing, and it's only hard for people like me who don't know how to fold or don't know how to gift wrap, pretty much. Okay, so if you know how to gift wrap, you'll have the easiest time doing this, but all I'm doing is folding the corners over so that everything can be concealed and closed up nice and neatly over here. So you're literally just going to wrap it the same way that you would wrap a present. I'm not even going to sit here and try to explain to y'all how to wrap a present, because clearly I don't know how, okay? But yeah, I'm just making sure that everything is pulled nice and tight, you guys, and stapling everything in place. And here we are. Guys, so this is how it turned out. Honestly, at first I was not feeling it. It looked like a day old loaf of bread, but I was just like, you know what, it is what it is. I tried, and honestly, they're good enough. Once I put some pillows over them, I know they'll be better. But honestly, after a few days, they kind of just started to grow on me, and I know as I decorate, they will look even better. So yeah, super easy. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.